Okay. Yeah, this ceiling fan has like a little hook up here, so you can just so you have to hold the fan to wire it up. So, fortunately, this one has like 2 walls, hot and ground. So I done put a test on the line, so you get your tester, and it'll tell you which side. This side here, that's the negative, because it's not making no noise. Red part,
oh yeah,
that's hot.
okay.
So that's the part you put on the on this case right here. It'll be the black wire for the hot wire.
Okay.
So we can unfasten.
How you gonna do it when it's live?
Well, they're doing it so much, I don't have to cut the power off. As long as I know where the hot wire is at.
Oh, you just
See, the hot wire secure.
tied them.
So now we got the negative wire here, the white wire.
Oh, that's all you.
But the main key is finding that hot wire.
Yeah.
See, like now, you see the fan is on, really. Because
So all that other stuff we ain't need, cause it said a whole bunch of other language in that instructions, and we was like, oh, I don't know what they saying.
So take your remote control. I'm gonna hold the fan right here. You hit that fan. It should, if you got the batteries.
Oh, you got the batteries in pause. Pause and pause. Then what?
Hit the button for the center for the fan.
I hit it. Oh, it's working.
Mm-hmm.
Then hit the button. Oh, the light ain't gonna work because I ain't got no lights in
the
there
light
yet.
in there. Mm-hmm.
You did it?
Mm-hmm. So you can cut it off right now.
All off. Okay.
All right.
That was quick.
Mm-hmm. So the thing I gotta do now, I gotta take 2 wires. The ceiling fan's got 2 pieces on each side, which you can just put the screws back in.
Okay.
Put the screws back in on 2 of the sides, go across one another. See that'll hold the fan up because it got a little twist action on the fan.
I thought it was more to it than this. You see the white box up there in the middle? I thought we had to do something.
That's your remote control.
Oh, that's for the remote control. Ain't nobody know that.
So
And that
now,
yellow.
Right now, right here, they got little gashes on it.
Oh, wait. Can we put the lights in first
No,
or no?
No?
Okay. Nope, got it right. Okay.
No, that'll be more weight on it.
Okay. Understood.
Okay, I got to put this in. Get that right there. And twist. When you twist it, she's up there. Now I can put the rest of the screws in there. If I got something wrong with it.
You're not going to believe this, Mr. Kevin. I recorded it.
What?
I recorded it.
The white piece go in that little box.
You're not going to believe this. You're not going to believe this. He done. We done did the remote control and everything.
That Trey said get here next week. Make sure I'm in the can.
They said it was an easy install. I said the devil is a lie. Not with these instructions talking about gray, yellow, and white. It was like, ain't nothing gray in here, man. I can't wait to post this on YouTube. Oops.
Let's see, I got to find me another one.
Here you go.
I got to find my other screwdriver because the way they got it, the way they have it, you can't really. Hold on, let me see. Can't really get your hand in there and put the darn thing on.
That's the only deal.
That's how I need to get. I gotta find my other screwdriver.
You want me to look for it?
No, it's in
I'm
the,
a pause.
I think it's in the van.
Y'all, I apologize. My phone died, and by the time I got it back up, he was already done and gone. But the main thing you need to understand is that it really is an easy install. The hardest part he had to do with was getting these. Hold on, let me see if I can show you and zoom in. These bolts right here, because it's hard for him to fit, his large hands through the thing. So he had to get his handy dandy screwdriver. Thankfully, both sides of the fan hooked to that kind, but so it's 4 of them, right? One, that's one. Let's say it's northeast, south, and these are the east and the west. Okay, these are east, that's north. Which I guess I don't know which one that is, but see, and this is south. So they got hooks. So you get those on first. Okay? That's the main thing. Some of this fun going off. But after you do that, and you can get a long screwdriver, you should be good. But the main thing you need to know, these darn instructions. Pause, hold on, let me show you these darn instructions. Okay, I'm back. This is where it gets done. Alright, sir, cut your phone off. You're messing with my live. This is where it gets done. It says connect the yellow, gray, and white wire ports with the corresponding colors of the drive. Child, he ain't need none of that, honey. Don't listen to that. Connect the red, black, and white wire ports with the corresponding colors of the drive. I don't know why those 2 instructions are there. None of that matter. Because it was already done. First of all, ain't nothing great in here. I'm going to show you pictures later. Connect the live line and the 0 line of the drive to the power supply. That's all you needed to do. That's the only instruction. Connect the live wire to the live line and connect the 0 line to the 0 line. Whatever. And it's a black and a white. That's it right there. That's it. That's the black to the black and the white to the white. All this other stuff they talking about, want none of that in our kit. Anyway, all this was already done, connected. So that's why we had gave up and was about to return it. He came in here, got that thing up in 5 seconds. It didn't make no sense. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the fan. Bye. Real quick, I forgot to mention this real quick. My house is older, built in the 70s or something. And so I had 2 black wires, but he tested it. You saw him test it. One was hot, one was cold. So normally the hot one is black, it stays black. The cold one, the negative, they call that the negative one, is the white one. But both of mine were black. So I marked it so that we can know in the future. But yeah. And you see how pretty this fan is? And it blows good air for this room. I'm not going to show you my room yet, because everything is in a disarray. All right, bye.